Welcome to Doc Pro, and your daily podcast for learning real English in a simple and fun way. Let's start speaking English with confidence.
Before we begin,
Welcome to Doc Pro English Learning.
the place where you relax
Improve your English naturally.
and train your brain while you sleep.
Now turn off distractions.
Close your eyes
Relax your body.
and listen carefully.
Tonight,
Your English journey continues even while you rest. What if you could improve your English while sleeping?
no pressure.
No stress,
No difficult grammar exercises.
just calm English
Peaceful listening.
and natural learning.
Because your brain is always listening.
Even when your eyes are closed.
Your mind continues learning patterns
Sounds.
and rhythm.
And tonight,
You are going to surround your mind with real English,
slow English,
natural English.
comfortable English.
So while the world becomes quiet,
Your English becomes stronger.
let your mind relax.
Let the English flow naturally.
And let this peaceful journey improve your fluency step by step.
Take a slow, deep breath.
Relax your shoulders.
Relax your mind.
You are safe
Calm.
and comfortable.
Now listen to the sound of English.
Simple words.
Natural rhythm.
Peaceful sentences.
Imagine a quiet morning.
The sky is soft and bright.
The air feels fresh.
Birds are singing outside.
You slowly wake up and smile.
Today feels peaceful.
You walk to the kitchen.
You make a warm cup of coffee or tea.
The smell feels relaxing.
You sit near a window and enjoy the quiet morning.
Everything feels calm.
Now imagine yourself speaking English confidently.
You understand conversations naturally.
You speak slowly and clearly.
You are relaxed.
You are improving every day.
English is becoming easier for you.
Now listen carefully.
I am learning English naturally.
I am becoming more confident.
Every day my English improves.
I understand more and more English.
I enjoy learning English.
Excellent.
Keep relaxing.
Keep listening.
Your brain is becoming familiar with English sounds and patterns.
Now imagine you are walking through a peaceful park.
The trees move gently in the wind.
The sky looks beautiful.
You hear people talking softly around you.
Someone says hello.
You smile and answer confidently.
Hello.
How are you today?
The conversation feels natural.
You are not nervous.
You are calm and confident.
Now continue listening quietly.
Many people think learning English must feel stressful.
But learning becomes easier when your mind is relaxed.
A relaxed mind learns faster.
That is why calm listening practice is powerful.
You do not need to understand every word immediately.
Just listen,
Your brain is learning naturally,
little by little.
day by day.
Now imagine you are traveling in another country.
You walk into a small coffee shop.
Soft music is playing.
The atmosphere feels warm and peaceful.
The worker smiles and asks.
What would you like today?
You answer easily.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Your pronunciation feels smooth.
Your confidence feels strong.
You understand the conversation clearly.
This is possible for you.
Because every day you are improving.
Now relax again.
Take another slow, deep breath.
Feel calm.
Feel peaceful.
And continue listening to English naturally.
Success in English does not happen in one night.
But every small step matters.
Every sentence you hear helps your brain grow stronger.
Every minute of listening builds your fluency.
You are training your ears.
You are training your pronunciation.
You are training your confidence.
Now listen carefully again.
I can speak English confidently.
I am improving every day.
English is becoming natural for me.
I enjoy listening to English.
I believe in myself.
Very good.
Now imagine a peaceful night sky.
The stars are shining softly above you.
The world is quiet.
Your body feels relaxed.
Your mind feels calm.
And while you rest tonight,
Your English journey continues.
tomorrow,
You will understand more.
tomorrow,
You will feel more confident.
tomorrow.
English will feel easier.
Because your brain learns through repetition.
And every time you listen.
You become stronger.
Now continue relaxing and listening to the sound of English.
Let the words flow gently through your mind.
No stress.
No fear.
Only calm learning.
Only peaceful progress.
Only confidence growing slowly inside you.
Outiro, thank you for spending this peaceful English session with Doc Pro English Learning.
Keep listening every day
Keep believing in yourself.
and let English become a natural part of your life.
Good night.
And see you in the next English podcast session.